Hello dear children, today we will study subject computer, alright? So what's the spelling of computer? Just do the revision with me. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer, alright? In previous video we studied that computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic machine. So, computer is a machine. Alright? It's made by we people, made by us, made by man. Like your television, your washing machine, cycle, car, microwave, wristwatch, clock, like that. Okay? It is a machine. And what are the machines? Machines makes our work easier. With the help of the machine, we just do the work easy. Alright? So, open your book, just see page number 3. This is a computer. You can see here that monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse is a complete computer system. Now, computer is a machine. Spelling of machine, M-A-C-H-I-N-E. What are the machines? Machines made by we people, made by us, not by God. It's not natural. We people make it. And what the machines do? It makes our work easy. Now see page number 4. Here that one activity you do after this video. Join the dots with the help of the pencil and just your computer system will be completed. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Okay. Now next you see machines are made by man and machines are the things which are made by man. What the machines do? They make our work easy. You can see some pictures of the machines here. First one is the cycle, you see that. With the help of cycle we can reach to the destination we want to go little faster. Here you can see that wristwatch. Wristwatch, with the help of the wristwatch we can see the time wherever we are there. Alright, easily we can see the wristwatch, that time is there with us wherever you go. Okay. Now next picture of this washing machine you can see. It makes the work very easier. To clean the clothes, it saves our time. Alright, we put the clothes there and it cleans. That time period we can do some other work. Your mama can do some other work. The machine just cleaning that your clothes. Okay. Now television, with the help of the television we can see at one place that news of the whole world. Alright, we can see that live things also there through the television. Lively, some games are just running, some tournaments running. We can see easily at your home, okay, with the help of the television, and many things, many events that is done somewhere else, and that place you can see easily through television, just sitting at your home or not going somewhere. Alright. Now page number 5 open, you can see that qualities of the computer. Alright. Computer is a smart machine. It works on electricity. It works very fast. It makes our work easy. So computer is very smart machine. Why it's called smart machine? Now we can just give online exams, many things with that help of the computer. So this is a very smart machine. It works on electricity. It works with electricity. When we switch on, it will start working. When we switch off, it is make that work stop. It make work very fast. Easily and fast we can do the work with that computer system. It makes our work very easy. If you want to search about anything you want to know, just type there, click, and you can see on your screen. That's why it's very smart. Alright. some activity you have to do here. Just put a tick. It is a machine. This tree is a machine. Tree? No, it's not machine. It's a natural. Now, this television, it's a machine. Just put a tick here. Flower is a machine. No, it's a natural. Just cross there. You have to put only that things which are machine. Alright. So, tree is a machine. No, it's not machine. This flower is a machine. Flower is a machine. No, it's not a machine. So, put a cross here. No, it's not machine. Okay? But here you can see this television. Television. Is this a machine? Yes, television is a machine. It's made by man. Alright, it's not natural. So, television is a machine. Okay? Now, see page number 6. It is the computer. You have to just put a tick there. Is this a computer? First picture of this, what? Cycle. This bicycle is a computer. Bicycle is a computer? No, it's not a computer. This wristwatch. This was that. Is this a computer? No, it's not a computer. Now, you can see here this monitor, CPU, here keyboard, mouse. Is this a computer? Yes or no? Just say yes. Put a tick here. This is a computer. Computer is a machine. Alright? So, here you have to just put that is the computer. No, cycle is machine but it's not a computer. Wristwatch is a machine but it's not a computer. But this monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse is a what? It's a computer. Just put a tick there. Alright? Now, next you see, next exercise, color with the blue color the machines that are usually found in our houses. Okay? In our houses, we can see that the machines, you have to color the block with the blue color. So, this microwave we see at our homes. Yes or no? Yes. Microwaves are there at our homes. We can easily see that microwave in our homes. Right? So, color with this microwave picture, right? Color with blue color. Alright? The square blue color. Next picture of the iron you can see. Iron we use to just make our clothes smooth and fine just to wear. Alright? This iron is a machine. We can see easily at homes. Yes or no? Yes. Just fill with nicely, okay? But next picture you see that this is what? This is what? Train. So, train easily we can see it at homes. At our homes we see the train. Yes or no? This metro train or the other kind of the trains we see at our homes? Yes or no? No. So this picture you will not color this block. Okay. Train we see at our homes. Can we keep this much of a space we are having at our homes? Just put a train, big train. No. It's not toy train. It's a real train. We just travel with just to go from one place to another, one city to another city, one country to another country. Many kind of these places like okay. So is this a we can easily keep at our homes? No, not. So don't color this, okay? So all our machines. Microwave is a machine. Iron is a machine. This train is a machine. Alright? But you have to color the things which we easily see at our homes. Microwave at our homes. Iron at our homes. This is not, we cannot keep at our homes, okay? Now next activity you just see, you have to do it yourself. Collect and paste the pictures of 3 machines in 3 blocks. 1 block, 2 block and 3 block. Here you just have to paste one picture in separate blocks. Okay. 3 pictures. How many blocks there? 3. 1, 2, 3 blocks. So 3 pictures accordingly you have to just put. Picture 1 here, picture 2 here, picture 3 here. Okay. You can paste the picture of television or any like picture of the iron or many things like picture of that washing machine, microwave, any 3 picture. Just paste. Okay. Next. So these are the machines. Machines are made by man, not by the God. It's not a natural, made by man. We made that aeroplane, train, washing machine, microwave, like these machines, okay? Here you can see this. Page number 7. Write the first letter of each object and see what you get. This is what? Cup. Cup start with the letter C. This is what? Which picture? Owl. Picture of which bird? Owl start with O. Picture of mango. Mango start with M. You have to just write the first letter of the picture. This is what? Parrot. Parrot start with P. Picture of which bird? Parrot. This is what? Umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter U. Picture of tap. We get water from that. Tap starts with the letter T. Picture of this. Which animal? Elephant. Elephant start with letter E. Picture of the rabbit. Rabbit starts with the letter R. Which letter? R. So, you have to fill in these blocks the first letter of the picture. And now, join it. Join it. C O M P U T E R. So the first letter of these pictures changes into which spelling? Spelling of computer. Spelling of computer. This is the spelling of computer. Alright. So it was very interesting. Yes? Great fun? Yes or no? First letter of this picture we put here. You can put here. And which spelling will complete it? Spelling of computer. Enjoy it. Okay, had fun? COMPUTER. Computer. When you take these things, cup, owl, mango, parrot, umbrella, tap, elephant and rabbit, the first letter of these pictures, it will complete the spelling of the computer. Okay. Now, color the picture as per your choice. It means you have to color this picture of the computer system whatever color you like. The color you want to do, the color this, you can choose yourself. Okay. This CPU can be red or can be black, can be brown, can be yellow, whatever color you like, whichever that one. Next, the screen of this monitor color you can use pink, yellow, blue, the color you like. Got it? Similarly for that keyboard and mouse also. Okay? Just have fun, enjoy it and learn the spelling of computer. COMPUTER. Got it? And computer is a machine. Machines are made by man like we people. Okay? So like your computer system, your television, your microwave, washing machine, car, bicycle, auto rickshaw, all are the machines. Okay? But plants, trees, mountains, rivers, like that, these are not machine. Got it? So, keep in your mind, things which are made by man are called machines. Thank you class. Study well. Okay?